thank you. New at noon, attorneys representing the families of the Parkland mass shooting victims have come to an agreement on how and when to conduct a reenactment of what happened on that day back in 2018.
17 people were killed at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School. Angela Rozier is here in studio with more on the progress made today for this civil lawsuit against the former school resource officer. Angela?
Well, Aaron, August 4th, that's the date parties have agreed to. And I want to add, the attorney representing the families who requested that reenactment, well, they told the judge they would like to use live rounds instead of blanks because they say this is a significant difference between the sound. Now, the goal of the reenactment is to duplicate the steps the killer made as he fired his weapon inside the 1200 building. Attorneys for the families want to show that former Broward County School Resource Officer Scott Peterson could, in fact, hear where the gunfire was coming from when he took cover, contrary to what the defense argued at his criminal trial. Now, during Thursday morning's hearing, the judge heard from a forensic expert who addressed her concerns about safety and having a controlled environment. That expert explained there would be bullet traps set up around the 1200 building, and he added he never remembered hearing anybody getting hurt because of bullet trap failure. Now, parties also agreed there would only be one reenactment. You may remember Peterson's defense team had mentioned they may consider performing their own reenactment, but both parties now say they do not see the need to put the community through a reenactment twice. Now, again, the judge agreed to that August 4th date. She also told the attorneys representing the school district and the city of Parkland to discuss this with their clients, and if they have any issues, to get back with her by the end of the day Friday. Tiffany, Aaron.